What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and assembly of my new Jaguar Plotter. So stay tuned, it's all coming up. What's going on, guys, and welcome to the video. My name is Patrick and I'm with Window Tinting Business. If you don't know me, if this is your first time here, I'm a full-time window tinter, instructor, and consultant. I do a number of different things within the industry. Today I'm going to be unboxing our brand new Jaguar Plotter. I'm going to show you an unboxing on how to do it and fully assembled. I haven't watched any videos on this. I don't know what it looks like, so everything you're gonna see is gonna be set up just the way that I see. So I have one camera angle here, I have another side camera angle over here, and I do have one on my head as well, so you guys are gonna be able to see everything. And this is it right here. Whew, it's been, wow. Okay, just to let you know, this box is heavy. We have the 40-inch Jaguar Plotter. It has been years now. You guys know that I'm mainly a hand cutter. That's because I never had a plotter before. I have worked with plotters. I did work with plotters for over 5 years actually, with other shops. They are a great tool, especially if you're going to be doing volume, or you're just trying to speed up the production on your cars. Right now, with standard hand cutting, sides and back on a standard car, I'm usually around 2 hours. I am an OCD type of person, so I like to make my hand cuts perfect, or as perfect as they can be, and everything else of that nature. But this is definitely going to help expedite the process. Super excited. I am going to keep this box in the event that I have to repackage it and send it back in or something of that nature. I'm just going to keep the box just in case. It's packaged pretty well. Looks pretty good here so far. I don't know what this is. Here, let's see. Got a big box. Big portion of the box here. Good cover. Okay. Looks like we have some rollers. These are probably definitely the rollers for the back that holds the film. And then this actually came with a catch basket, which is sweet because I didn't know that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this over here. And then what else do we have? Okay, we have the main unit, the head unit now here. Let's see if I can slide these out. All right, we'll leave that there. Slide this side out. I'm good to go. The trick is that I'm by myself, so I gotta get this unit out of the box and on the floor without damaging it. We're not too bad. It's not too bad. I mean, obviously this is the main bulk meat and potatoes of the unit, but there we go. It's a little bit heavy. I don't know if I had to say. It's probably maybe 50 pounds. I'm gonna go nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. I definitely suggest maybe a second person to help you, because I'm strong. I don't know, but just in case, you don't want things to fall and whatnot. I mean, that's an expensive unit. This unit right here ran, I believe it was $2,800. So it's a pretty good deal. It's a pretty good price on a plotter. As you guys know, I've always been a fan of the three main ones that I've always said were Jaguars, Graphtechs, and Roland's. Now the Roland came out with a new version about 4 years ago that had this automatic button for the pinch down rollers. Everyone hated it. I definitely hated it because instead of flipping the pinch down rollers and it being I don't know, a split second, it took 4 or 5 seconds, which doesn't seem like a long time, but when you're burning and turning through stuff, that's a lot of time. So yeah, sorry, I digress. So this one, the new Graphtechs, I believe, are almost $6,000 for a 40-inch, so literally half the cost. And the Jaguar is gonna be a great workhorse. This plotter is gonna last me for a very long time, and it's half the cost. And the components are fairly affordable. The motherboard goes out on this, parts go out on this. It's affordable to replace and fix and things of that nature. So that's the reason why I got it. I don't know what this box is. Let's see here. I have the new four foot ladder here. I actually put, I drilled little hooks right here. This is actually gonna be a mobile peel board. Just gonna set it like that, and I'm gonna put a piece of acrylic right on top and lay it down there. That way I don't have to travel with glass. This is gonna fit right here on this. I'm gonna see if I like it with one. I'm gonna see if I like it in general, I don't know. If I like it, then what I'll do is I'll just end up getting a second one, so I have two mobile peel boards on both sides of the vehicles. What do I do with my knife? Here it is. QC Pass, I don't know what that is. Quality control, yep. Quality control. Let's see what we got here. This looks like some instruction manuals. Looks like the instruction manual right there, I believe. Looks like some flanges for being able to put window tint on there. As a window tinter, we usually don't use these. So we do that. So these are the pins that go onto the bars so that you can set where your film goes. That's good. Zip ties, screws, always good. All right, so that's what this box comes with here. Flanges, screws. I think these are the instructions. Let's keep going. What else do we have? Gel, these aren't salt packets. Keep the moisture down. What do we have in here? I have no idea. So it looks like some more instructions on the bars. Installation of media basket system. Oh, I do like that it has a media basket. It's a way that it'll catch the film. So this is good. Sometimes it works with like window tint. Sometimes it doesn't. I just kind of gotta go in there. Oh, here we go, some more hardware. Let's see what we got. What do we have? What do we got? Cutter accessories checklist, okay. Oh, okay, good. So this gives us a full breakdown here. This is the J5-101XLXW. So it comes with Ethernet cable, USB cable, cutting pad, tweezers, power cord, cancellation disc, notification sheet. I don't know what that is. Safe blade, promise card, flexible media support system, roll holder support left and right, roll holder guide bushes. It just basically tells you everything it has in here. So I'm trying to keep this video short and concise, but I don't think that's gonna happen. What do we have here? Some sort of cable. I believe this is the cable that's supposedly installation guide of standard copper wire. I don't know what the copper wire is for. We're gonna figure that out. I thought I heard sometimes it's like a static cling thing, so they keep static down. Ooh, very nice. All right. So these are the heads. Comes with 5 25-degree blades and a 45-degree blade. Oh, I did forget to mention that this plotter, I got this plotter from Solar Gard, from their Largo. They had one in the Largo location, so I ordered it through Solar Gard. So if you guys are wondering where I ordered it from, that's where I got it from, and then that's where, like, if you get one, I'm not sure if you buy a Jaguar from anyone else, would it come assembled, would it come packaged like this? I'm assuming so, but just in case you're curious, I got this from Solar Gard. Let's see here. Looks like a vinyl strip maybe. Ethernet cables, power cords, that's good. More instructions. Metal guards. These ones are going to hold the metal rollers so that you can put your window tint and vinyl and everything else on there. There's a Teflon strip right there. A letter opener. You can cut window tint on that too. An Allen wrench. Looks like some software information, quick install information. This is for your software. Installation guide for USB cable, tie, and saddle. So that's good. You want to secure the USB cable. That's always good, right? Because if the cable gets yanked, you don't want it to break in the unit or break the unit itself. So, do people use it? No, not that I know of. Not that I've ever heard of. More stuff on the bottom. Yes. Gift that keeps on giving. Looks like we have the legs here. Cross beams. Let's just do it this way. This is a really solid unit, by the way. Everything is hard metal, really good, really nice. I would say that this Jaguar Plotter, I could probably squeeze any of the 3 plotter brands that I mentioned before. You would probably be able to squeeze 10 to 15 years out of it, as long as you're taking care of it, using it right, maintenance and everything. So that's it. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything.